Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Today we will learn measuring lengths. Dear students, we can measure different objects by using our parts of body like our hands or feet to estimate lengths. We can use a hand span, a cubit, a stride, a foot span. We can also use objects to measure the lengths of other objects. As Jimbo measures his book length with coins. You can see he put some coins and estimate the length of his book with the coins. The book is about 12 coins long. You can see 12 coins are equal to the length of this book. Why do we use the word about? Think about it. Wrinkle and Bubbles measure the length of the bag shown using different objects. Wrinkle uses pencils while Bubbles uses paper clips. Bubbles uses 3 pencils to measure his bag, while the same bag is measured by Wrinkles and she uses paper clips. Bubbles says the bag is 3 pencils long. Here you can see 3 pencils are equal to the length of this bag. But the Wrinkle says the bag is about 8 paper clips long. 8 paper clips are equal to the length of this bag. Who is correct? Yes, both are correct. 3 pencils are equals to 8 paper clips. Dear students, now we will solve practice zone. Fill in the blanks. A belt is equal to dash globes long. This is looking like a globe or a ball. If we say it is a ball, how many balls are equal to the length of this belt? We will count these balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The belt is about 11 balls long. Question number 2. Look at the picture carefully. Then fill in the blanks. The radio is about dash squares long. You can see orange squares or cubes are given. How many cubes? We will count these cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we will write 10 in this blank. The radio is about dash clips long. How many green clips are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We will write 7 in this blank. The clip is dash than the cube. The clip is longer than the cube. Question number 3. Fill in the box. My table is about dash handspan long. Dear students, if you measure your table, it may be different with this, but my table is about 5 handspan long. You can measure a table with your handspan as these kids are doing and write handspans in this blank. These students, do your CW with pencil very neatly. Good luck.